I have received the following items complimentary of Influenster for reviewing purposes. So let's open this up and see which collection I have received from the L'Oreal Skin Expert Club line. So this is their new Hydra Total 5 collection. So it looks like it comes with cleansing water, toner, and moisturizer. So this is the micellar water. This is the toner. And this is the moisturizer. I'm excited to see what this collection will do, and hopefully it works well with my sensitive skin. So fingers crossed.